everyone, my name's Brooke and today I'm going to be unboxing Littlest Pet Shop Pet Surprises. Now I'm so excited for these. I just got back from Target with them. I've never opened Littlest Pet Shops before. I have two from my sister, like the old kind, but I've never gotten these, so I'm very excited. Okay, so on the front you can see Littlest Pet Shop, so many to collect pet surprises, virtual code inside. Discover and play. I'm guessing they're talking about the Roblox game. Maybe you can get the pet you open in this in Roblox? I don't know. Alright, so on the back, these are all the pets you could get in these. The ones that I want the most is the poodle, the horse, the cat. I think this is a cow, I'm not sure. This dog, or this tiger, or this walrus. They're all so cute. The only few that I don't want is this one, this bird, and this. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of those. Alright, so let's start opening these. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay, I ripped it. That's one way to do it. Oh, I'm so excited. The ones, I really hope that I get the horse. The horse is by far my favorite. Open up! Come on. Okay, so, here's the collector's guide. Okay, so here's the collector's guide. These are all so cute. And yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the Roblox game. I played it. It's pretty fun.
This is the one I want the most, the horse.
What pet did I get? Okay, I think this must be the pet. It looks pink. What is this? Oh, it's so cute! Oh, my first LPS! Oh, and it comes with a fishbone. Okay, this is so cute. I think it might be a seagull. Because if you look here, but it's pink and that's kind of throwing me off. I think this is one of the ones I actually said I didn't want, but looking at it now, actually it's really cute. It's kind of looks kind of goofy, but I like it. So here's all the stuff that was in my surprise box. It says Littlest Level 2 Exotic. Here's the link, I'm guessing, to the game maybe.
Oh, I think I might use this in the Roblox game. Or maybe I use it on their website. I don't really know.
I actually went on Roblox and checked, and you do use the code for the video game, but I already used it, so it won't work for you. Okay, time to move on to the next one. I really want the horse! I take horse riding lessons in real life, so it'd be cool to have a horse. Littlest Pet Shop. So, collector's guide. Oh, this fell out. Oh, it's the poodle! Oh man, the card spoiled it. It's the poodle, it's the poodle. I wanted the poodle. Poodle, get out. Get out here, poodle. It's so cute! Oh my gosh. Hairbrush. Now, this card says Sassiest Level 1 Core. Number 2, Generation 7. Moving on to the next one. Open up. Okay, so this time I'm gonna grab the pet first because last time the card fell out and spoiled what it was. Okay, what does this feel like? This feels like the poodle. Could I have gotten the poodle again? Oh, it's the cow! Or at least I think this is a cow. Oh, this is so cute. It looks so sweet and kind. I don't know why. 40th Level 1 Core. It also came with this little award, which is so cute. Very adorable. Oh, there's a lightning symbol on its side. That's cute. All right, moving on to the last one. Okay, gonna grab the pet first again. Get the horse. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's not, but this is so cute as well. Oh my gosh. It has a little bow. This reminds me of the Aristocats. It says on the card, Littlest Level 1 Core. My virtual code. And is this lemonade in a cat bowl? Oh, I think it is. Very cute. Oh, does she have? Oh, she has little designs on her ears and a bow on top of her head. She looks like she'd be a very fluffy cat in real life. Alright, so that was all of my boxes. I love all of these so much. I am a little disappointed that I did not get the horse, but I really like these. They're all so cute. That was all of the boxes. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It was so fun to unbox these. I do think my favorite two are these. They're so adorable, and I love that she came with lemonade and a apple. That's hilarious. So these are all of my Littlest pet shops. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do think I want to start making LPS videos on this channel. I can be an LPS tuber. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video and have a good weekend.